Marikina's first and only South Asian restaurant ngayon yung i-visit natin. For today's Chibugan, flavors from Thai, Singapore, and Malaysian, meron lahat here at Redwood Hawker Center sa Lilac, Marikina. Open sila daily from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. We tried nga is yung cereal chicken, yung serving is good for sharing talaga. Crispy yet juicy, sweet and multi flavors of cereal. Tom Yum dry made of rice noodles, may perfect blend of spicy, loaded with mushroom, and yung shrimp niya is fresh talaga. Thai boat noodles served with tender slices of beef, may sprout and leaves. The broth is dark, very mild lang. Mas masarap kung makakain siya ng mainit pa talaga. This one naman is yung SG chili crablets, mild spicy, crunchy, kaya kain lahat. Chicken rice naman tastes like yung tinola natin dito sa Pinas. Steamed rice rolls, mild and neutral lang yung lasa. Texture niya is soft and little bit of bounce. Ito yung favorite ko sa lahat ng in-order namin, chicken satay. Served with sauce made of peanuts and chili sauce. Well marinated yung chicken, kaya juicy and ang sarap ng flavor talaga. For the dessert, nagtry kami netong sendol. Traditional Malaysian dessert siya. If tinatamad ka mag-visit sa store, no worries. Available sila sa GrabFood. That's all. Bye!